Last week I told Jana there was gold on this property, or at least there was a gold mine nearby. I always knew she was a gold digger.
You're a gold digger. You're a gold digger. This is never enough. I was strung out and alone.
This is a dry creek bed. It'll only carry water when it's raining heavily. All right, today we're out at the job site working on the creek that we're gonna put in next to the house under the eaves to catch any water and then push some runoff that way around the house, away from the basement area and away from the house. So I'm gonna turn it around and see if I can show you what we've got done so far. Here's the rock that we're digging out. We're kind of just seeing where this giant rock goes. I dug out a little bit today, but we're kind of obsessing about it. We're using all of these rocks that we pulled out of the ground and from all over the property when we first bought the property. Let's take a look and see what David's worked on today underneath the front of the house. I think he's just leveling off right now with what dirt we have to work with. We'll probably have to bring in some more dirt to fill this in and flatten this out. But this area will be kind of an outdoor living space and maybe a place for our little pup to hang out. So that'll be nice.
Hey, can you run down to the creek and pick up some special rocks for our stream bed? Okay guys, well, I am out of breath, out of strength, and out of rocks. So I'm gonna take a little break and I'm gonna go see what David's doing. So David is digging out along the base of the boulder for our water pump line, and it's actually going to come up, wrap around that boulder there, and then come across the top, and it'll spill over the top of the natural boulder, which is really pretty cool. We'll probably have to saw cut the bottom of that boulder and stick the liner in there to keep water from undermining everything, so it'll all be sealed nice and clean. Don't you hate when you just get food stuck in your teeth? Man, this Takeuchi excavator is awesome. I love this thing. I wish I had one. So today David is working on the main creek. He's got his level out and he's making sure that the flow is proper. He's done a great job tamping everything in, making sure everything's level. We're also going to do some grading behind the garage just to make sure the watershed is not just sitting back there. The water flows properly away. So it's going to be a big day today. We got rain coming in, so there's going to be a lot less talking and a lot more working. So like any good friend, David let me play with his toys. He set me up with a track hoe so I could dig out this silt fence check with ease. Done. We're getting ready to put the liner down. Well, actually we're getting ready to put the underlayment down that protects the liner, so we're going to roll that out here in just a second. David got the underlayment and the liner in. Let's go. You know, I just have to say, how cool is it that all of these rocks came from this property and we really didn't have to buy a single boulder? I think that's pretty cool. as you can see, David is setting 2 of the rocks here that's going to support the side of the bridge. He's cutting that top one down, make it level. That way we don't have any rocking. It's going to be a sturdy surface to mount that big slab on. So it's coming together. Well, it just started raining on us out here, and they got a lot of the rock set, so it's really kind of taking shape right now. We've got the rocks for the bridge in, kind of lining everything, as you can see right now. So up at the top, we're kind of setting the end, so that'll kind of act like a spring. But we're calling it a day. It is raining, and hopefully it won't last too long, but we'll be back in the morning. So we'll see you then.